गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा। दुलीचंद जी ज्वाइन होंगे?
हाँ गुड मॉर्निंग सर, ज्वाइन हो गया।
गुड मॉर्निंग। ठीक है। Let other students join the meeting. Only 11 participants. Call them. All students. Friends. Call your friends. I'm audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Call them. Can you see my desktop? Desktop of my laptop.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the experiment number 5 to determine the mechanical advantage. Number 1, to determine the mechanical advantage, velocity ratio, efficiency of a screw jack. Screw jack is used for lifting the car or other materials. Okay. The objective of this apparatus is, just a minute. The objective of this experiment is to find out the mechanical advantage, velocity ratio, efficiency, and condition for self-locking of a simple screw jack. So the apparatus consists of a jack apparatus. That this is the figure of this jack apparatus, and it have a screw head. The weight is applied in this direction, and the weight or load, we can say the load, and the effort is applied with the help of P. Okay. This is the lever and this apparatus consists of the screws. Okay, the diameter of a screw is D. Okay, and it have some stands and nuts. Okay, and the radius of the lever is R. Okay, so the apparatus consists of a screw jack with two strings, a pen, weight sides, and a meter scale or outer side caliper. Okay, the theory is it is a device which is used for doing a particular work. Okay, there are two types of machines, namely simple machine and compound machine. The simple machine has only one point of application for effort and one point for load. Okay, so this W is load here and effort is P. Okay, and the example is lever, screw jack. Okay, these are the examples. Now the compound machine has more than one point for the application of effort or for load, and the examples are printing machine, milling machine, planer, paper. These machines are in your workshop. Okay, if you get the particular application of planer and paper, you can visit to your workshop. Okay, now the lifting machine is also known as lifting gear. This is general form for a equipment that can be used to lift loads. This includes jack crane, in which device effort is required to overcome a load W. Jack is a mechanical device as a lifting device, and it is commonly used as car jack, floor jack, carriage jack. Okay, which lifts vehicle so that maintenance can be performed. Okay, now we have to define what is mechanical advantage and velocity ratio and efficiency of the screw jack. Okay, the mechanical advantage, the purpose of the machine is to create a mechanical advantage that will facilitate your ability to move an object against resistive force. It is measured of the force amplification achieved by using a tool. It is the output involved. It is the output divided by input. So mechanical advantage is equal to the load upon the P or effort. P is the effort. Okay. So this is the mathematical formulation of the mechanical advantage. And the velocity ratio, it is the ratio of the distance moved by the effort to the distance moved by the load. So velocity ratio, distance moved by the effort, and distance moved by the load. So mathematically it is given by y upon x. Okay. Now input of a machine. Input of machine is work done on the machine. Okay. It is measured by the product of the effort and the distance through which it has moved, which is P into Y. And output of machine, it is also a actual work done by the machine, and it is measured by the product of the weight lifted and the distance through which it has been lifted. It is W into X. And the efficiency is output upon input. You know that. It is the common formula how to calculate the efficiency. So efficiency is eta output upon input. This is the formula. And if this is the for a ideal machine, the efficiency is 100%, but it is not common. It is not realistic. It is ideal machine. Okay, so 100% is cannot be achieved with the help of some means. Okay, so it is ideal machine. Now the screw jack is used for lifting heavy loads, which are usually centrally loaded by applying small effort. Okay. That axle distance, note down, this is the important. The axle distance moved by the screw when it makes one complete revolution of the thread. Let's say this thread, one complete revolution is known as lead of the screw. Okay, so for a single thread screw, lead is equal to pitch. Pitch is the distance between two consecutive distance. Okay, it is measured in millimeter. Okay, so let's say the diameter of the effort wheel is D. Okay, and P is the pitch of the screw. Number of teeth, it is not important. It is not in your calculation. So it is a number of teeth, and W is the load lifted, and P is the effort applied to lift the weight. Okay. So the effort is given by from this equation that effort is, it is capital D. Let's say it is not R, it is capital D. Okay. Then the distance moved by the effort is circumference of the effort. Okay, it is pi and D, and the distance moved by the load. Distance moved by the load. Let's say this is the pitch, which is the P, and pitch is defined as the distance between two consecutive threads. Can you see it? Hello? All students?
Yes, sir.
So this is the pitch of two consecutive threads. So it is P. So velocity ratio is equal to pi d upon P. Okay. And efficiency is equal to mechanical advantage into velocity ratio. Okay, so it is the self locking is when the efficiency is less than the 50%. Okay, and the procedure is note down the pitch of the screw, measure the diameter of the effort wheel with an extensible thread and meter scale. Okay, measure the diameter with the help of the outsider caliper. Wound one end of the string on the wheel in clockwise direction and attach a and other end in opposite direction. Place a load W on the top. W load is on the top. Okay. And put the weight in the pen. P is the in the pen. Calculate the mechanical advantage, velocity ratio, and percentage error. Repeat above procedure. Okay. So you know that the pi d and p are always constant for a machine. Pi d and p are always constant for a particular machine. Okay. So velocity ratio is always constant. It is always constant. If whether you repeat the procedure. Okay. It is always constant. And weight, we have to calculate the weight of the pen also. Pitch is also constant. Diameter is also constant. Number of teeth is also constant. Okay. So you have to make this observation table and you have to calculate that what is the mechanical advantage and mean frequency. These are the precautions, and this is the handwritten material. This is the handwritten material, and I'm giving it to you. Is it okay, beta? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Any question, doubt? Any doubt? Okay. I'm sharing the material. This is the handwritten material. I'll share it. If it's you can above. Okay, now I upload the video how to perform this experiment. Download this material and start writing. Okay. If you have any queries, tell me. The video is already, it is uploaded. You can download it. Any question, beta? Hello?
सर नो सर
नो सर। सर मेरे को अपने पुराने प्रैक्टिकल सिखाने थे।
हाँ, बाद में बात करेंगे थोड़ी देर में।
सर एक वो था जो लास्ट वाला प्रैक्टिकल है उसके अंदर उससे बनाना था ना, क्या बोलते हैं, कंपास से बनाना था, आर्क्स एंड ऑल। सर
कौन सा?
जो टाई एंड जिब वाला, सर टू फाइंड द फोर्सेस इन जिब एंड टाई मेंबर्स ऑफ अ जिब क्रेन। उसके अंदर सर जो डायग्राम वो दे रखे हैं, एक वो कंपास से बने हुए हैं, तो सर मैंने वो बनाया नहीं क्योंकि कंपास अवेलेबल नहीं है यहाँ पे।
कोई बात नहीं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं।
थैंक यू सर।
I pray that your college should open.
सेम सर।
वर्चुअली जो है ना प्रैक्टिकल क्लास नहीं हो सकती है।
सही कहा सर।
वर्चुअली लेक्चर हो सकते हैं बट प्रैक्टिकल क्लास नहीं हो सकती। बहुत होता है और फेस टू फेस क्वेरीज होती है। बट अगर आपके कॉलेज भी खुलेंगे ना, तो जो तुमने एक्सपेरिमेंट लिखे है ना, तो ऐसा करना कि एक एक्स्ट्रा पेज चिपका देना जो अपनी ऑब्जर्वेशन का होगा, ठीक है। बस ऑब्जर्वेशन का ही पेज चिपका देना और बाकी कैलकुलेशन कर लेना। आर यू गेटिंग मी? जैसे
ओके सर।
यस सर
जो है ना ऑब्जर्वेशन होगी तो उसका एक अलग से एक पेज चिपका देना, ठीक है। आपने पहले किया था और आपने अभी जो एक्सपेरिमेंट होगा उसमें आपने किया है, ठीक है। ऑब्जेक्शन टेबल और कैलकुलेशन बस वो करना है, बाकी तो आपने ऑलरेडी राइट अप रख चुके हो।
सर हम ऐसा नहीं कर सकते कि ऑब्जर्वेशन टेबल में रीडिंग्स पेंसिल से लिख दें?
हैं? क्या करे बेटा?
ऑब्जर्वेशन टेबल में रीडिंग्स पेंसिल से लिख दें और जब हम एक्सपेरिमेंट लैब में करेंगे कॉलेज में तो तब हम उसको चेंज कर दें?
नहीं नहीं, जो अभी मैंने मटेरियल दिया है, मैं वैसे तुम्हारा क्वेश्चन समझ नहीं पाया बेटा, फिर भी तुमने जो मैंने मटेरियल दिया है आपको उसका तो ऑब्जर्वेशन करना ही है, उसकी कैलकुलेशन करनी ही है, ठीक है। अगर आप कॉलेज में जाओगे और लैब में जाओगे तो उसकी ऑब्जर्वेशन अलग बनवाओगे और उसका एक पेज चिपका दोगे उस टाइम, या और आपका अदर क्वेश्चन समझ गए?
यस सर।
अभी तो जो भी है, मैं जो मटेरियल दे रहा हूँ बेटा वो तो कैलकुलेशन करनी है आपको, और अगर आपको कॉलेज में जाओगे ना तो आपसे फिर ऑब्जर्वेशन ऑलरेडी जो तुमने लिखा हुआ है उसमें कुछ नहीं करना है, बस ऑब्जर्वेशन टेबल की और कैलकुलेशन करनी है। आर यू गेटिंग?
यस सर।
यस सर, यस सर।
तो अभी जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं यू हैव टू राइट दिस मटेरियल which I have provided you to you लेक्चर में जो है ना स्क्रू जैक करवाया आपको?
सॉरी सर।
लेक्चर में आपको स्क्रू जैक करवाया है? पढ़ाया है? पढ़ाया है?
नहीं सर।
अभी
सर
अभी
अभी तो बीम
हाँ?
सर अभी बीम पढ़ा रहे हैं।
नहीं सर।
Any queries, beta? Watch the video and write.
Yes sir.
आदित्य कुमार,
यस सर।
तो यार प्रैक्टिकल बेटा।
ओके सर।
Practical, last practical. Okay.
यस लास्ट।
Result. Okay. What is the result, beta?
सर मीन परसेंटेज एरर इन जेब इज 0.24।
No. Thank you. Ornit.
Yes, sir.
Square practical beta. Okay. 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 Thank you. Aryaman. Aryaman.
हेलो सर। सर ऑन कर दिया है।
अभी तुम देख रहे हो बेटा।
सर एक सेकंड बाद में दिखा दूं सर, कैमरा प्रॉब्लम आ रही है क्योंकि मैंने तो ऑन कर दिया है।
आ गया, दिख गया।
सर अब दिख रहा है?
वेट।
सर नाउ? सर एम थियरी,
ओके,
फिर नेक्स्ट सर, फिर इस पेज पे ऑब्जर्वेशन, रिजल्ट, प्रिकॉशन। हो गया सर।
ठीक है बेटा। भगत सिंह।
यस सर।
Thank you very much. Himank.
दिखा रहा हूँ। दिख रहा हूँ
हम्म,
ये सर फर्स्ट पेज और ये ऑब्जर्वेशन डायग्राम हाँ ये प्रिकॉशन
how to turn on your the focus in the meeting? Any idea? Any students?
Sir, what?
How to turn on your focus in the meeting?
So, what do you mean? Acha,
So when someone is presenting, then you can click on that and focus.
yes, sir.
So otherwise you can pin their screen if you want.
Sir, you right click their name, like right click any name, and there will be option of pen. You can do that. It will be in full screen mode.
Yes, sir. It is the same as a focus.
No. Next. Sabri Jain.
Yes, sir. So observation.
Just a minute. Try up to
So pin.
second page.
No, sir, pin. The second option from the top. Second option from the top, pin.
Spotlight.
So you can click on anyone's
सर
profile.
स्पॉटलाइट के ऊपर सर पिन आ रहा है उस वो वाला
Yes, sir. पिन पे क्लिक कर दो.
Open करो बेटा.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Visible.
See, in the spotlight. Thank you very much. Visual. Naman Kataria.
Yes,
Naman.
sir. So first page.
Just a minute. First page.
So second page. So third page. And sir, the observation table.
Okay. Now it is easy to see your practice. Nibil,
Yes, sir. Wait a second. Sir, this is the diagram.
okay, sir.
First part.
Okay.
Observation table.
Okay.
Diagrams.
Okay.
Ending.
That's all.
Thank you.
Nikita. Nikita.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, ये diagram. Sir, is it visible?
Yeah.
So this is diagram and observation table. And so this. That's it, sir.
Or Pansam.
Yes, sir.
Sir, sorry, my internet is connected.
So is it visible? So the diagrams.
Focus. Yeah.
And the game. Diagrams and the procedure. Observation table. And final answer. Thank you, sir.
Pragati, Mera.
Yes, sir. 1 second. Sir, is it visible? Sir, I couldn't find my practical files. I've written in pages. I'll paste it. Sir?
Just a minute, beta. Wait. Yeah. Pragati, please.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have written in pages. I'll stick these in the practical file. Will it be okay?
कोई बात पर प्रैक्टिकल फाइल बनानी चाहिए
सर फाइल बनाई थी सर, ये सारे के सारे फाइल में लिखे थे, ये वाला नहीं लिखा बस.
चलो ठीक है, वो चिपका देना.
Yes, sir. So this is the first page. So these are the diagrams, and this is the written material. This is the procedure. And so this is the observation table.
But attach it in your file, beta. Practical
Yes,
file.
sir. Okay, sir.
Prajwal,
Yes, sir. Sir, my last practical was also I wasn't able to show. I'll show both of them.
just a minute. Turn on the camera.
One second, sir.
Remove the.
Yes, sir. I'm doing that, sir. Sir, here is the starting. Sir, here is the diagram.
Okay, beta.
Sir, here are the observations, sir. Sir, the mean percentage is the mean friction is coming 0.53.
And last practical.
Sir, the last practical is this. Here are jib and wo wala.
Okay.
Start. Sir, the diagram.
Okay, beta.
Sir, I left space here. यहाँ पे वो compass वाले diagram आना है, sir. दो है. And फिर sir यहाँ नीचे observation table है.
Okay. Okay, ठीक है.
Thank you.
Rakshit Malik.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, here is the starting, sir.
एक मिनट. Yeah.
Sir, diagrams. Sir, mean error for jib is 0.24 and tie is 0.28.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Santanu.
Showing, sir.
Beta. Santanu.
Showing, sir.
Prajwal, please turn on your
Sorry,
mute.
sir, भूल गया था.
Santanu. There is some column. Okay, now, yeah, yes. Just a minute. Yeah, beta. Okay. Thank you. Yuvraj.
Yes, sir. Showing. So is it visible?
Visible.
So this is objective and theory apparatus. This is the diagram. First diagram and procedure. The other two diagrams. And observation table. And observation result. And precautions, sir.
Thank you.